Elisa Carvajal is a mother of 6. She doesn't have a job and she recently had to stay in a shelter to provide a safe and warm place for her children to sleep at night, like so many other people in need. Thanks for the Center for Family Solutions Spirit of Giving, Christmas for the Carvajal family will now bring comfort to their stomachs and smiles to their faces.
Those smiles have been hard to come by for the Carvajal family. Elisa has been unemployed for almost a year, but according to her, losing her job was just the beginning of her economic problems.
Mi hermano y mi hermana fallecieron este mismo año.
My brother and my sister both died this year. The economy hit me hard and I couldn't pay my rent anymore. I ended up at that shelter with my family, and thank goodness that I found the Center for Family Solutions there. They have helped us a lot. Santa Claus also made an appearance at the Center for Family Solutions Christmas Meal for the Needy to hand out toys to all 50 children, to give hugs, and to take pictures with them. Santa's gift of giving turned to a wish come true for 2 of Carvajal's children who received new bikes. Carvajal says she was overwhelmed with joy.
Significa mucho, lo máximo.
This means a lot. I can't say enough about this. I had no money to buy them presents this year, and thanks to God, they gave them some here. They also fed us and gave us a gift card. The experience here was great. For Carvajal, witnessing the smile on her children's faces especially brought back many of the same memories of her childhood growing up in Mexico, when the spirit of Christmas had more to do with the heart than the gift itself.
Nos ponía cacahuates.
My mother, bless her heart, would put peanuts, oranges, and fruit on our beds on Christmas morning. Those were our gifts. It wasn't much, but it was nice. Carvajal says that she is just happy that her children will have a Merry Christmas.
Overall, the Center for Family Solutions and its partners helped provide a Christmas to 25 Imperial Valley families. The gift of giving included bicycles and toys for the children. Reporting in El Centro, Amos de Martinez, KSWT News 13.